next exercise we're going to do is a chair, especially for people who hurt their knee and they can't really do any rehab exercises. You sit on the chair. This is also good for people who are over years of 50 years old and you're trying to come back from arthritis and knee pain and stuff like that. You're going to grab the marble and you're going to raise your foot and make sure that your foot and your shin should be a 90-degree angle. And you're going to raise it one at a time. You're going to rotate. Okay? 25 times. Okay, 25. You're going over here, raise it. We're sitting down again for this exercise, and we're going to grab the marbles properly with our toes. Our concentration should be in the arc. Try not let our toes go into the negative plane, which means underneath the ball of the foot. Try to be on the same plane as your ball of the foot as much as possible. Leave about half an inch off the ground. Move forward and backward like a pendulum. We're aiming for 2 minutes straight in this drill and maintain tension in our feet throughout the process. Try and feel the energy build up underneath your feet. We're going to grab the marble and make sure the anterior tibial tendon is prominent and activated properly. Our focus will be in the arc. And as we do this exercise here, we want to make sure that our shin is perpendicular to our foot. And we're going to rotate our feet like this. And notice that the foot and the direction of the knee has to be aligned together. They're locked up and then they're also rotating together. They're not going in two different directions or your knee is not following your foot. They have to be aligned together. And we're going to keep rotating like this, side to side for 2 minutes straight.